Good morning, everybody. Today, I will take your grammar class, English grammar. Last day, Sucharita ma'am has, I think, has taken that am is are plus doing words. So, page number 54, this picture I will do once for revising, and after that I will go to the chapter number 21. Okay, I am fine, beta. I think you are also fine. So, now we can go to the page number 54. You have already known, besides that again I am telling, whenever we are adding the ing doing words, okay, so there we can write that I am going, you are going, he is going, and they are. So, am is are plus doing words plus ing. English project, Ojushik, I have given that in my e-portal assignment section. Please open it, because many days back I have given. Besides that, again I am telling it, that winter, that vegetables and fruits, you have to write, you have to draw or paste the picture and also write about the winter. You have done, Susan? Okay, just I am revising that, okay. I told those who have done, you will revise, and those who have not done, you will do. Page number 54 only, I am just telling. Sanjoy is celebrating his birthday. Submitting time I will tell. Obviously I will tell. Okay. So Sanjoy is celebrating. Next one. Some children are wearing the fancy cap. Next. That Sanjoy is standing. Page number I have written better 54. Some children, Sanjoy is standing behind the cake. And next, there is a cake on the table. Sanjoy has cut the cake. Nitesh is taking a piece of cake, is eating a piece of cake. Then Tanuja is drinking Pepsi. Shonu wants sandwiches. Mrs. Gupta, I told Upasho. Arnab, then you are having some problem. If you cannot hear me, you are having some problem, beta. Oh, who is me? So, here, one thing, Tanuja is drinking Pepsi. Shonu wants sandwiches. And Mrs. Gupta is giving sandwiches. Then next, Naman has 2 red balloons. He is, no, you read in a jungle, not, it is not like this. That Naman has 2 red balloons. He is laughing. So he is laughing. He is laughing. And next, that he is laughing, and some children are, Niru is singing a song. Some children are dancing. Some children are dancing. Mr. Gupta is taking a photograph. So this chapter has completed. If you have done, so please revise it. Next chapter we will go. Chapter number 21. Chapter number 21. It happened yesterday. It happened yesterday. This yesterday is very important words here. Okay, so here whoever has doing this class, you are doing the class, please doing the class very nicely. No need to do anything, no need to type if you cannot. Okay, so please take your book and do the class. It happened yesterday. Something, it happened yesterday, when we are telling that time we are using another type of verb. Here we are telling that please learn that present form and past form. Whenever yesterday we are telling, that time we are telling that past form of the verb. So yesterday, last year, I told also one day. Yesterday, last year, last week, previous day, all these we are thinking that past tense. So please mention the time, and verb form also, it is changing whenever we are using the present form and whenever we are using the past form. Or yesterday. Present means I wake up 5 o'clock every day in the morning. But when I am telling morning I wake up, that I cannot tell, because already morning has gone and I woke up. So verb form, how it will change, I am just telling that. So yesterday and present you are having, besides that I am just telling. Eat, today or every day when I am telling, it is a present form. But if I told that I ate yesterday, eat, yesterday, ate. Please remember all these things. Feel, felt. Sometime like this, go, went. I go morning work every day. So you can tell, ma'am, I went morning work. So only one day you went for morning work. Okay. So go, went. Yesterday. Obviously, you have to mention the time. Yesterday. Go, went. And also so many verbs are there. Go, went, feel, felt, eat, ate, sleep, slept, run, ran, and also buy, bought, bring, brought. Buy, bought, B-O-U-G-S-T, bring, brought, B-R-O-U-G-S-T. All the meanings you know, and also now past form also you know. Page number 55, just we are telling, I play, I played. Sometimes we are adding ed to make the past form of the sentence. We jumped, he likes, he liked. The train starts, the train started. The lion roars loudly, lion roared loudly. But whenever we are adding ed or we are making the past form, we should mention the time. Yesterday, last year, last week. Because whenever you are going to tick marks answer or fill in the blanks, you cannot understand when is the time. Okay. So every day I get up 6 o'clock in the morning. But yesterday I got up 7. So that's why, just listen. Every day, that is the present, but yesterday, that is the past. My mother packs my tiffin for school. Yesterday, Mama was not well, so Papa packed the tiffin. So, yesterday, when they are using, that time we should use the past form of the verb. So, page number 56. Page number 56. I think you are having PT2 exam next Friday. Means today is Wednesday, and Friday I will revise the text and syllabus I have given my e-portal and also website you will get. So please look, Upasho. Last evening we saw number B, page number 56. So page number 56, last evening we saw whatever you will do, the tick marks. Number 2, last Sunday father took up to the zoo. Number 3, Monica invited. If you did not understand, please tell me, okay? Everybody I am telling that. Our schools, every day they are telling. So our school begins at 7 a.m. Number 5, last night her mother was not well, so she rang up the doctor. Okay, last night. Please, all these things, notice it. Okay. Number 6, every Sunday we go for boating on the lake. So, every Sunday they are telling. Number 7, here number 7 I am writing. Number 7, our school bus usually comes. Number 8, Mr. Rao opened the door and entered the room. Number 9, last year we had a white Swift car. We sold it away. Okay, we sold it away. Number 10, my mother cooked Chinese food yesterday. My mother cooked. Yesterday they have told, so it is cooked. Number 11, Mrs. Puri taught us music last year. Mrs. Puri taught us. Number 12, yesterday we had a spelling test. The teacher gave us every simple words. Yesterday they have told, so 12 gave. Number 13. Number 13, a man came to our house. The teacher, a man came to our house. She wanted. Came, they have told, that is also past tense or past form. Number 14, this morning they told, besides that I woke up. I told you, because it already happened. Number 15, the principal takes a round of the school every day. Then page number 57, I am just telling that. Next day I will do that. Pinky opened the door of the cage, the parrot flew away. Yes, number text. Number she. Number C, page number 57. Pinky opened the door of the cage, the parrot flew. Number D, number 1, number 2, we went to the swimming pool. We swam for 15 minutes. Swan for, very good, we swam, S-W-A-M. Next, The man was very old. Indu helped him to cross. Why flight? Susan flew. That is them. So number 3, Indu helped him. Number 3, number 2, number 1. Number 4, the policeman saw a thief. He ran after the thief. Number 5, the cat jumped over the wall and he hid. So hide, you please learn also another word. Hide, hid. Okay? Okay? So, here, hide, hid. You please remember this one. Number 6, Sonali liked the dress. She bought it. Number 6, she bought it. B-O-U-G-H-T. Number 7, Vicky ate sandwiches. I drank milk. Vicky ate or I drink milk. Here they did not mention the time. So we can also drank because already I drank milk. Number 8, Kopil threw a ball to the dog. The dog brought the ball back. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Then number D, a thirsty crow saw a pot of water. It flew to the pot to drink water. Here, there, thirsty crow, correct form of the doing words. So, page number 58, 58C. Saw a pot, it flew. Then the water level in the pot was low, the crow's beak failed. F-A-I-L-E-D, failed to reach the water. Crow was clever. It brought pebbles. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Pratyushna, I told you, bought and brought, two another words. And threw them into the water. Pot one by one, the water came up. The crow drank the water happily and flew away. So if you have not done this class, again I will give the YouTube. Please do it. And today up to this much, if you are having any problem, okay. Monica, it takes right. Which one, Pratyushna? Monica takes invite now all friends to her birthday. Which one, beta? Page number, please tell Pratyushna. Monica, where is that one? Okay. That is for the short forms you have done. Ritushri, no. Pratyushna, please, page 56. Monica. Which one, beta? Celebrate. Oh, Monica invited to her birthday. Yes, actually, already invited. Invites means every year they are telling that. So here time did not mention, but she had already invited. If it's telling that every year, every times, that time we can write the invites. Okay, beta? Thank you. Have a nice day, beta. And bye.